Trump say a Gaza ceasefire close than every. The reality is more complicated. President Donald Trump emerged from talks with Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Monday, declared an end of the war in Gaza was closer than ever after Netanyahu agreed to a peace-point plan laying out the permanence of ceasefire. The proposal, which Trump unveiled publicly for the first time, still requires a sign-off from Hamas, and there are a number provisions contained in the plan which the terror group has previously rejected. Still, Trump apart hopeful that after nearly 2 years of war, an end to the conflict which has left tens of thousands deaths and Gaza in running my we at hand. I think we are why not very close. Trump said that the start and a preparation with Netanyahu in the White House state dining room. We are not quite finished. We have get Hamas. The plan calls a release of all remaining hostages held by Hamas, both alive and dead. With 22 hours, Israel publicly accepting the agreement, meaning the clock already ticking for the groups to agree. Both Trump and Netanyahu warned of sharp consequences of if Hamas turns down the proposal. I hope that we are going have a deal for peace, and if Hamas reject the deal, which is always possible, they they are the only one left. Everyone else has accepted it, but I have feeling that we are going have positive answer. Trump said during statements at White House, if Hamas reject your plan, am I president of they supposedly accept it and then do everything to counter it, then Israel will finish the job by itself. Netanyahu said this can be done the easy way or it can be done the hard way. What I will be done, Trump said Israel would have his full backing to continue going after Hamas if the group reject the deal. Netanyahu meant to question at the conciliations their aspires, saying it would be better to wait until the plan finalized and agreed to by all parties. An agreement to end nearly 2 years war in Gaza would amount a Mazboot diplomatic victory for Trump, who has openly comparison for the Nobel Prize and grow intelligence futures inability to end the conflict. It could also, in the view Americans official, unlock a border plan that would transfer the Middle East, opening the door exhibition Abraham Accord that say Israel normalize relations with United Arab Emirates and Bahrain. The agreement where the signature foreign policy achievement of Trump first term in office ahead many ahead to Monday announcement. Trump had been publicly project confidence and agreement was at hand. Every Netanyahu suppose short of endorsing the proposal. We are working, Netanyahu said over the weekend. It has not been finalized yet. White House official described the proposal as the West plan Israel or Hamas could expect. The Trump administration would be plus ceasefire Gaza and number Western countries resigned Palestine last week United Nations General Assembly. Thank you.